Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Guys, today is 14 August 1947 and today Pakistan came into existence on 14th August 1947. Guys, our country, Pakistan, our Islamic country, it make very struggle for us and got very troubles, and it had it basically our country have a lot of things, and for Qaid-e-Azam, our Pakistan minister, they make very struggle for making the Pakistan, and from their struggle, Pakistan came into existence on 14th August 1947. It basically, guys, when the Pakistan was not got independence, it happened that our country had not political instability. It was it have nothing very when the Pakistan was thousands of women were murdered and assassinated in when they were coming India from India to Pakistan. It happened that very people was murdered, and it happened. Guys, I will stop this lecture with prayers. खुदा करे मेरी अज़े पाक पर उतरे, खुदा करे मेरी अज़े पाक पर उतरे, वो फसले गुल जिस अंदेशे ज़वाल न हो, यहाँ जो फूल खिले वो खिला रहे बरसों, यहाँ जो फूल खिले वो खिला रहे बरसों, यहाँ ख़ज़ां को गुज़रने की भी मजाल न हो। हर एक फ़र्दो तहज़ीब व फ़न का ओजे कमाल, हर एक फ़र्दो तहज़ीब व फ़न का ओजे कमाल, ना कोई मलूल हो ना कोई हस्ता हाल हो। Thank you guys. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share. Allah Hafiz.